So, hello, this video is just to show how you can use the NWEA integration for every module for your students. So the whole idea is whenever you select whenever you want to start your new chapter, your new module, then who are the students who are not ready based on their RIT scores for this particular chapter, and how we can differentiate their performance, how their activities or their learning for what is needed for this particular chapter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to course, and the first thing I will do is simply specify my next chapter to start. So I'm going to randomly pick up any of these chapters. So let's suppose I'm starting next module 6, chapter 6. And when the page refresh, you will see that the first item that you have under resources in this module is recommendations. So I'm going to expand this recommendations. It seems like there's nothing there, but just give it a few seconds. It will be visiting the NWEA website meanwhile and retrieving all these kids whose RIT scores shows that they are not ready for this particular chapter. And as it says here, the students listed below are approaching below level and may not be ready for geometry covered in this unit. So these are the students, and this is the AI generated or driven learning path or targeted path lesson that they have to continue. So all I have to do is actually to assign, and this will take me to the assignment page. I might call it whatever I want, so I can call it MHE targeted lesson path. I can specify the date and time in here, and then I would add any students. So these 12 students are the students listed there, and it's directly addressing them. But if you would like to add any of these, you can actually pick up any other students, and then you can write your own instructions. If you want, you can complete and submit, and all what you have to do is just simply click on assign. That would be assigned to these students. Now, how would your students see that? Your students are going to open that when they receive it in their assignment tab, and the first thing that they will see is a welcome page that will ask them or that will inform them about the assignment. So it will tell them that this is an adaptive assignment that has only 4 concepts that you have to master, not questions but concepts. And you may look at resources or you may test your knowledge, and it will guide your learning. So if they go to questions, these questions would be AI generated. There are 4 concepts they need to master, and right now 0 of them is mastered. So these will be generated for each student, and you can make sure that not 2 students will get the same question. So the first time it will test them on a baseline level before it goes on and generate the next one to each student according to their confidence level. So rate your confidence to answer, and they may get any additional help, any scaffolds, any additional resources to learn about the concept. This is not the answer key. And they can just simply submit, and it will take them to the next question will be generated for each student. At the end of this journey, which is adaptive, they can do it at any interval of time, it will be reported back to the teacher. The teacher can track all of that in the assignments tab. So they can go to the assignment tab at any time. The teacher can go to the assignment tab and look for this particular targeted learning path. You can open it, and then you can go to this 3 dots here and view assignment report. The assignment report will generate, I have no data here, but typically it will generate 4 reports: progress, time, learning objective, challenging learning objective, as well as metacognition. I hope that was helpful, and please let us know if you have any concern.